Welcome to Autodesk Content Catalog Briefing. My name is Adi Gilad. I'm a solutions engineer at Autodesk. And in this video, you will discover the powerful features of Content Catalog tool and how it can streamline workflows, especially for Revit users. Autodesk Content Catalog is a BIM content management system, previously known as Unify Pro, and after Autodesk acquisition, it was relaunched as Content Catalog, connected to the Autodesk Construction Cloud platform. In this video, I will cover the current challenges with content management, the main capabilities of Content Catalog. I will demo how to use the product, and I will share some information about the roadmap and some technical resources. First, let's zoom out and take a quick look at the AEC industry's challenges in digital content management and see how Content Catalog helps to address these needs. When it comes to model data and BIM assets consistency, you are probably familiar with the challenge of searching and finding a specific BIM asset, for example, a Revit family. Many times we see that the same digital asset might be duplicated again and again across the organization, existing in different folders across various projects, users, and tools. One of the pain points in this current workflow is that the same piece of content might have been duplicated dozens of times in fragmented locations without a clear workflow or available tool for search, save, and transfer digital content from project to project. Content Catalog is trying to address these challenges by creating one centralized repository for all your BIM assets that can be managed and shared across your projects and users. It helps to eliminate unnecessary rework and time wasted hunting down content from past projects, and it's always available in the cloud with unlimited storage. So who can access Content Catalog? If you have a subscription to any of these products appearing here at the bottom of the slide, that means that you already have access to docs, and that will grant you a direct access to Content Catalog without any extra cost. So if you have AEC Collection subscription or any of the Autodesk Construction Cloud subscriptions, such as BIM Collaborate Pro, Autodesk Build, Autodesk Takeoff, or Autodesk Docs as standalone, that means that you have access to docs and access to Content Catalog. And just a few more things to be aware of regarding the access to Content Catalog. Currently is available in the US, EU, and Australia ACC data regions. And as I mentioned in the previous slide, Content Catalog is available at no extra cost to anyone with a Autodesk subscription that includes docs. However, these are two separate products. Content Catalog does not rely on docs files, projects, and interface. Now let's take a quick look into the main capabilities you will find today in Content Catalog. So Content Catalog is a single source of truth for storing and managing your film's BIM content. Its main capabilities include version control, thumbnail previews, database management, granular search, and permissions control across different file types. And as a single source of truth, it allows you to centralize BIM assets in one place to upload, organize, and manage collections of content. And when it comes to structuring your collections, there are many strategies for curating assets into different libraries. For example, you can organize your company's collections by discipline, project type, object type, or asset category. But it's up to you how to build and name your collections. Version control. So in Content Catalog, you always have access to the latest and most accurate version of your content. When content is uploaded into Content Catalog, it undergoes an automatic upgrade process in the cloud, resulting in a new revision, a new version of your file. But the file will also automatically be updated to the 5 latest Revit versions that are currently available in the market, in addition to the base version that was uploaded. But please note that, like any other Revit file, you can only upgrade the Revit version, but no downgrade the version. For example, you can upload an old Revit file, such as Revit 2019, for example, and Content Catalog will automatically upgrade the file to be compatible with the latest 5 Revit versions that are available. Additionally, if you choose to download the source file from the File History tab, as you can see here in the screenshot, you can access the original version, the original file. So you always have a backup of the current and the previous versions of your files. Flexible input. So Content Catalog supports various formats and sources of content. You just need to download the Content Catalog add-in that is compliant with the right software. So we have extensions for Revit, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and Rhino. So for AutoCAD and Civil 3D, it supports direct insert option for DWG and DXF files. For Rhino, it supports direct insert for 3DM files, 3DS, and OBJ files. But remember that most other file types can be hosted in Content Catalog, but will need to be downloaded to use in Rhino, AutoCAD, and Civil 3D. With Revit, Content Catalog has the best interoperability with multiple file type supports for upload and for direct insert. So in Revit, it can support RVT, RFA, RTE, RFT files. So it can be loadable families, system types, materials, annotations, title blocks, schedules, drafting views, and sheets. But the sheets need to be without a plan or section view. We also have thumbnail previews, so you can review the object before you download it into your Revit model. For Revit families, RFA files, we have 2D and also 3D preview options. So currently the 3D preview is available for RFA files only, and the 2D preview is available for various file types. You can also manage Revit materials in Content Catalog. You can export materials from Revit project directly into Content Catalog. You can search, browse, and preview the materials before inserting into the Revit model. You can also review the materials properties and the graphics directly in Content Catalog, and then insert the materials into the Revit project that is open on your end. Content Catalog organizes content into customizable categories and tags. Users with collection editor permission can add collections and tags to the assets. Tags are additional layer of metadata you can create directly in Content Catalog, and the same piece of asset can be associated to multiple collections and multiple tags that will help you in the search and filtering process. Upload content. So users with upload and edit permissions are allowed to upload content into the system. We have two different ways to upload content. First option is just drag and drop files from a local folder. The other option is to do a direct upload, direct export from a Revit model that is open on your end and connected to Content Catalog. You can do a single file upload or a batch upload of multiple files together. Any user can request to upload content, but the content will go into a pending queue under the upload requests window, and the admin will need to approve or deny the upload request before the files will go to the right collections. Autodesk Construction Cloud account admins active and set up Content Catalog via the Account Admin portal. Under the Library tab, the admin will be able to create new collections and control the permissions. The end users access Content Catalog from the cloud-based app or from the web browser. Revit users can open Content Catalog directly from Revit interface after installing the Content Catalog extension. To download Content Catalog extensions, just log in to your Autodesk account and find the extension under the Products and Services, or just download it from the Autodesk App Store. In Autodesk Construction Cloud Platform, the account admins can edit the permissions by assigning groups to each collection and control their activity permissions. The permissions are read content, download content, upload content, and edit collection. We also have the direct insert feature. When the content catalog is connected to an AutoCAD, Revit or Rhino file, it will automatically display only the compatible file types that the connected software can read based on the file type and the version availability. For example, if content catalog is connected to AutoCAD file, the Revit assets appear as not compatible for insert. This is why you will see the insert button grayed out. You can search for your content by different filters and categories, including free text, family parameters, Revit categories, tags, or per collection. You can also save your search to quickly return to the same filtered result in the future for other users in your organization or for other projects. The saved search dynamically updates the results. It has a live update, so once you upload additional assets that match the filtering result, they will be automatically added to the saved search. Now let's see a basic search and insert workflow in Content Catalog. Let's say I'm looking for a chair, Revit family. I can start with free text search, but as you can see, I received too many items. Now I can start to narrow down the results by using the filter drop-down. I can select multiple filters. For example, I can choose to filter by tags. I can also filter by Revit parameters. Now I got two filtered results. I can click Details to review the item. It's a Revit family, so I can preview the 3D and the 2D. I can also see the collections and the tags that are associated to this asset, and also the Revit properties. I can check the upload history, so I can review the Revit versions that are available for this asset. I can also check the file information to see when it was uploaded and by who and what is the size or the unit. And if I'm happy with this item, I can do a direct insert to the Revit session that is open on my end. And the item will appear directly on the Revit view. You can insert a single item or do a batch insert for multiple items at the same time. You have the option to save your search, to quickly return to this filter result in the future. The saved search has a live update and it will be available to other users under this Content Catalog account. Now let's see the workflow of account admins in the Autodesk Construction Cloud, where they can control collections and permissions. Under the Library tab in the Account Admin module, the admin can access and manage Content Catalog. Here you can create new collections or edit the existing ones. Just select the collection and hit Edit. You can change the collection name, the description, or add collection image. And you can also add user groups. You can add multiple user groups and grant them the right permissions. After completing your changes, just hit Save. Under the User Group section, the account admin can create and edit user groups based on their ACC member list. You can include in the user group ACC members from your company, but also from other companies, and grant them permissions to your collections. After creating user groups, you can assign them to different collections with different levels of permissions in each collection. Channels are collections of content that are made publicly available by external publishers. Currently, channels contain Revit out-of-the-box content published by Autodesk. The admin can subscribe to these collections and enabling user groups to access this curated content with view and download permissions. From the AECO platform, the admin can access Content Catalog in a new window. In Content Catalog, you can review your collections like any other user. And if you have upload or collection editor permissions, you can upload content into the different collections. You can do it by drag and drop files directly into the Content Catalog window, or you can do a direct export from Revit project. You can do a batch export by selecting the different files that are available in the Revit project that is connected to Content Catalog. After selecting the items you want to upload, just hit Next. Select the relevant collections, and you can also associate different tags to these items. You can do it per individual item, or you can do it as a batch select. Just hit Save, and then you can upload the content and it will be available in the different collections. And finally, I want to share with you how to access our roadmap and some technical resources. You can scan this QR code and access the AEC Data Model Roadmap, where you can see which future capabilities the product team is currently working on, what was released, and what is under development or under consideration. You can also submit your ideas for future features and join the public beta to test in-development features. And now, Autodesk Model Analytics is available in public beta. After the launch of Content Catalog, we are now in the process of integrating Unified Project Analytics into the AECO ecosystem. Autodesk is launching the Model Analytics tool to help models become a more reliable source of CDE data. The tool is designed to check model health and help users to understand how to keep models optimized for performance. Model Analytics is built directly into the AECO Insight tool and can monitor model health and quality across Revit projects hosted on AECO to review Revit models for most used families, errors and warnings, sync with central times, and other metrics that impact the model performance. And before we wrap up this video, I would like to draw your attention to a few helpful videos and technical resources. So on YouTube, you can find short tutorials on the Autodesk Building Solutions channel. You will also find here the link and the QR code to the Content Catalog knowledge base, where you can review documentation and guidance on workflows and best practices. There is also a link and a QR code to the Content Catalog product page and also to the roadmap. And in the Content Catalog interface, you can use the Help button on the upper ribbon to open the support window for additional guidance. And just to summarize this product overview, Content Catalog is a centralized cloud repository for all your BIM content, where you can store and manage different file types without any storage limits. It provides robust version control, thumbnail previews, granular search and permissions management, helping you standardize your projects and workflows under the AECO platform.